First, extract the zip file that you got from us that contains free and pro Elementor plugins including template kits. Now, at first, you install the free version, because the pro version should work along with free version. Now the free version is installed. Click to activate it. Let's upload and install the pro version now. Activate the pro version. Once installed Pro, also, go to Elementor Home and click Connect Account. Create a free account in Elementor, and link that account into yours or link if you already have one free account. Now, let's see, all the Pro features are unlocked. Now, let's see how to import a kit library. They are a variety of ready-made site templates package. I have gone into Tools option under Elementor. Use the option Start Import. Choose the template that you want. Click Import and wait. Your site is ready now.